So major announcement from today, I am posting daily alpha, crypto NFT, Airdrop alpha, whatever comes to a Twitter feed that is basically valuable. I will be posting on my Patreon. Why I decided to do this is because it is much faster for me to post on Patreon, because in crypto, everything is a matter of seconds, of minutes. That's why for me to create a YouTube video, it takes around 1 to 2 hours to basically film it, upload it, edit it. So it is much easier for me to create a Patreon where I can share everything as soon as I find it. And I am posting already multiple times a day. There is so much alpha. And looking at the fact that we are entering a new crypto bull run for the whole 2025, the alpha and the opportunities are so many that even if I don't use some of them or many of them, I will be posting them on my Patreon, so people that find them basically valuable and they have money to spend it, because there are many projects that I don't have money to put in. So I think this will be very valuable for people that have some money or don't have money, because I will be posting even free opportunities. And because I remember in 2021 bull run, I spent so much time on X, on Twitter, just scrolling, and you could find thousands of dollars of opportunities like almost every day. That's why I think this will be a really great value for people. Of course, this will be a paid Patreon, $10 a month. But looking at the fact that you will get the information as soon as possible, as fast as possible, every day, multiple times a day. After that, I will post most likely on my YouTube, which will basically bring much more attention to, for example, some NFT collections that I think are undervalued, or tokens. That's why I basically decided to create this group on my Patreon. It is already active. You can find all the links in the description. And basically, if you think this is a valuable thing, you can try it for a month. Look if basically see if I post something great, something valuable for you, or some BS, you can easily unsubscribe. But there are already few people that are paying and watching all my alpha. So that's basically what I want to tell you. And if you want to get more alpha, sign up to my Patreon or subscribe to my YouTube. Press like, press notification bell, so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on daily crypto NFT airdrop alpha. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.